the British inventors who built the modern world. The world you woke up in this morning, lit by electricity, connected by invisible signals, powered by engines and code, didn't appear by accident. It was built, forged in workshops, laboratories, railway sheds, and quiet study rooms across Britain. Some of the most powerful ideas shaping modern life were born on these islands. We're diving into the British inventors who built the modern world. 8 minds whose breakthroughs still drive your car, power your home, and run your phone. And by the end, you'll see how deeply their ideas still surround you. 1. James Watt, the engine that supercharged industry. The modern world didn't begin with a computer, it began with steam. Steam engines already existed before James Watt, most notably the Newcomen engine used for pumping water from mines. But in 1769, Watt patented a separate condenser that transformed the machine's efficiency. That improvement meant steam engines wasted far less energy. They became practical, powerful, and adaptable. Picture vast brick mills in Manchester, pistons pounding rhythmically, railways stretching across the countryside, mines reaching deeper underground. Watt didn't invent the steam engine, he made it truly industrial. The impact was so profound that today, power is measured in watts. Without those refinements, the Industrial Revolution would have moved far more slowly. And once mechanical power reshaped society, the next revolution needed a new force entirely: electricity. 2. Michael Faraday, the man who made electricity work. Flip a light switch. That small gesture depends on a discovery from 1831. Michael Faraday, largely self-educated and working at the Royal Institution in London, discovered electromagnetic induction, the principle that allows motion to generate electricity. Spin a magnet within a coil of wire, and electric current flows. That insight became the foundation of modern power generation. Power stations around the world still rely on this exact principle. Turbines turn, coils rotate, electricity is produced. It's Faraday's experiment scaled to enormous proportions. He also developed early electric motor designs and laid foundations for transformer technology. Faraday didn't invent electricity, but he unlocked how to harness it reliably. And once electricity could be generated, the challenge became sending information across it. 3. Alexander Graham Bell, the voice that crossed distance. In 1876, a voice travelled through a wire for the first time with clarity. "Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you." Born in Scotland, Alexander Graham Bell patented the telephone that same year in the United States. His device converted sound waves into electrical signals and then back into sound, instantly across distance. Others, including Elisha Gray, were working on similar ideas at the same time. But Bell secured the crucial patent, and his design became the foundation of modern telephony. For the first time in history, a human voice could leap across cities without physical presence. From landlines to smartphones to global fiber optic networks, modern telecommunications trace back to that fragile early invention. But wires were still required, and one inventor would remove them entirely. 4. Guglielmo Marconi, the man who sent signals through the air. Before Wi-Fi and satellites, there were 3 faint Morse code dots crossing the Atlantic Ocean. Although Italian by birth, Guglielmo Marconi built and commercialized much of his wireless telegraphy technology in Britain. In 1901, from Cornwall, he transmitted the Morse code letter S to Newfoundland, the first transatlantic wireless signal. Radio development involved several pioneers, including Nikola Tesla and Oliver Lodge. But Marconi's system proved commercially viable and globally scalable. That breakthrough changed maritime safety, journalism, military communication, and eventually broadcasting. Radio, radar, television signals, and modern wireless communication systems all evolved from those early experiments. But communication wasn't the only transformation underway. The modern world would soon depend on computation itself. 5. Charles Babbage, the architect of programmable machines. Long before digital screens and microchips, a Victorian mathematician imagined a programmable machine. In the 1820s and 1830s, Charles Babbage designed the difference engine and later the analytical engine. Though never fully completed in his lifetime, the analytical engine contained elements strikingly familiar today: a processing unit, mill, memory storage, store, and programmable instructions via punched cards. Brass gears, rotating shafts, mechanical precision, a steam-age vision of computation. His collaborator, Ada Lovelace, wrote detailed notes including what many historians regard as the first published computer algorithm. Modern computers are electronic, not mechanical, but conceptually they follow the architecture Babbage outlined. The idea of programmable logic was born on paper in Victorian Britain, and eventually those ideas would help power a global digital revolution. But first, the physical world had to shrink. 6. Sir Frank Whittle, the engine that shrunk the planet. There was a time when aircraft relied solely on propellers and piston engines. In the 1930s, Royal Air Force officer Sir Frank Whittle patented the turbojet engine. His design used a gas turbine to produce thrust far more efficiently at high speeds and altitudes than traditional propeller-driven aircraft. Germany's Hans von Ohain independently developed a similar jet engine around the same period. But Whittle's work led to Britain's first jet-powered aircraft, the Gloucester E-28/39, which flew in 1941. The sound was different. The speed was astonishing. Modern commercial jetliners, capable of crossing oceans in hours, are descendants of those early turbojet concepts. Air travel transformed global business, migration, and tourism. The world didn't just become connected, it became reachable. And soon, it would become digitally unified as well. 7. Sir Tim Berners-Lee, the web that connected humanity. In 1989, working at CERN, British computer scientist Sir Tim Berners-Lee proposed a simple but revolutionary system, linking information using hypertext across the internet. The internet already existed as a network of connected computers. Berners-Lee created the World Wide Web, the structure that allowed websites, browsers, URLs, and clickable links to function seamlessly. By 1991, the first website was live. It was simple, plain text, basic instructions explaining what the World Wide Web was. Crucially, Berners-Lee made the web royalty-free. Anyone could build on it. That openness allowed exponential growth. E-commerce, online education, streaming platforms, social media, entire industries exist because of that decision. Today, billions of websites operate within the framework he designed. From steam engines to web servers, British innovation kept reshaping the world. And yet one invention changed daily life in a quieter, more cultural way. 8. John Logie Baird, the screen that redefined evenings. In 1926, in a London laboratory, a flickering mechanical image appeared on a screen. Scottish inventor John Logie Baird demonstrated the first working television system using mechanical scanning technology. The images were crude and ghost-like, but they moved. That was the breakthrough. Electronic television systems developed by inventors like Philo Farnsworth and Vladimir Zworykin would later replace mechanical scanning methods. But Baird proved televised moving images were possible. By 1936, the BBC began regular television broadcasts, initially using Baird's system before transitioning to electronic technology. Television went on to reshape news, entertainment, sports, and political communication across the 20th century. Even today, in the age of streaming and smart displays, we are still watching through a doorway Baird first opened. The modern world wasn't built in one leap. It was forged step by step, steam refined, electricity harnessed, voices transmitted, signals freed, computation imagined, flight accelerated, information linked, images broadcast. These British inventors didn't just create devices, they reshaped how humanity moves, communicates, and connects. And their legacy still surrounds us. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.